Thought I'd just hop on and give another update on this batch of knives. I'm almost done with them all. I got all my ferro rods made. All the bead lanyards are finished as well. All I have left to do is finish the Kydex holders. I'm very close with those. And then basically put everything together. I reserved 2 sheaths in case somebody's left-handed that would like one. I can make you a left-handed sheath. This is what they're going to look like when they're finished up. Matching lanyard, ferro rod, Kydex and leather sheath. These are A2 still, 7/32 of an inch thick. They got 3/8 convex Scandi grinds, canvas micarta scales, Loveless bolt construction. Very tough, very durable, feel great in the hand. They're good outdoor knives. Nice locking on the sheaths. These will be hitting the website by the end of the week, I do believe. So if anybody's interested, hit me up. And everybody have a good rest of the week.